Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to tell you about an exciting challenge coming up that J Dolls UK and I are sending out through our Dolls Gone Goth collab. Aren't these cute? I just got these minis. How did I not have these before? Okay, just not for this challenge, but how cute would that be for a little goth doll? That's what I'm planning. And then, you know, kind of like Wednesday and Enid is what I was thinking. And she's on skates. How cute is that? This month, coming up, September 16th at 6 a.m. is when we will be uploading our videos, is Dark Fairies. Now, you can interpret that any way you want. Could some of these outfits be used for mine? Maybe. Please come by and see my fairy, go by and see Jay's fairy, and everybody else that participates. We put this shout out quite a while back, so I'm pretty sure there are going to be some fantastic fairies. And I want to remind you now, and I will remind you on the 16th, please, if you participate in our Dolls Gone Goth or any challenge, let people know that you have a video. The hashtags just do not work like they used to. Thank you, J Dolls UK. This is so much fun. Thank you for everyone who participates monthly in the Dolls Gone Goth videos. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.